Okay, more into welcome to the third tutorial, more into writing web pages. All right, today we'll be talking about formatting text. And formatting text, we use certain attributes. I'll be explaining certain attributes and using it in my examples. But you can Google for more tags on more information on formatting text. Okay, all right. Let's start with an example. uh, Let me use to separate from what we did last time. This gives me a horizontal line, so this is how to draw horizontal lines. Okay, now you understand that if I want to write a new thing, a new line, I use the p tag or the paragraph tag. You understand me? Or I use, and there's another one, break, br br tag, br tag. Now this is self-enclosing. So here I can write which sends me to a new line. It sends me to a new line. Okay, let me write something on the top so that this is a new line. This is a new line. All right, you see, when you're using the difference between the paragraph tag and the page tag and the new line tag, which the break tag is, we have is the difference is the distance between the line spacing. You see that this one, when I remove this one over there, it will give me, as we analyzed last time, it give me just one line. But when I put the br tag over there, it gives me close to that. But you see that this one is still the same. It's giving me the same. It's giving me a larger line space between the two sentences, but this one is giving me a short line space between the two sentences. I hope you understand me. That's one way of writing on the next line. Okay, all right. I will show you some few tags. We have the em tag, we have the strike tag, we have the strong tag, we have the underline tag. All right, these are some few tags that I'll be using to a few tags I'll be using to format my text. All right, let me clear this one. Let me write it in a sentence. Let me remove this one too. I will employ all these tags uh, in the examples as I'm going to write, in the sentences that I'm going to write. All right, this is a new line, this is a new text, new formatting text. I writing and developing web pages is getting more interesting. Practice makes man perfect. You need to work hard towards your goal. Alright, let me maximize this here. Alright, so you see how it looks like. Now let me try and format my text. I would like to start with a p tag, which is a paragraph tag, and I'll enclose it with a paragraph tag. Let me give a heading h2 of, and use the header tag to enclose it. Alright, my sentence. Alright, or in paragraph. As I told you, we'll be using the em tag, the strike tag, the strong tag, the underline tag. Alright, okay, this is what I'm going to use. Now let me explain this one. The em tag is used to italize a word. So we want to put it in italics. We want to put an italic a word into italics. You use the em tag. It's sometimes I say it's an emphasis tag because the way it represents, and when I use the emphasis, the em, it comes to my mind that, oh, okay, I want to place some sentences into italics. The strike tag is used to strike through a tag. So let me put, this is wrong. All right, a strike through tag is used to strike through a sentence, a word, or a paragraph that you want. Then the strong tag is used to bold a tag, bold a sentence. A strong tag is used to bold a sentence, so, or a paragraph, or anything else that you want to bold. And an underline, a u tag, is used for underlining a word. So I can place a word here, I will place it here, and it will give me an underline. I place a u tag here and a u tag here, and it will give me an it will return hard, the word hard, but not hard alone, but with an underline, a line under it. You understand me? So this is how you create, this is how you format a tag, format a text. All right, let me try and use it in the in the paragraphs. Okay, first let me save this one and display it so that you will see the difference. All right, okay, okay. Oh, sorry, it's because I've used this one over there. Let me cancel it. Sorry, okay, sorry. Alright, okay. Now this is how it represents. You see how my h2 tag is giving me a header tag. See, and what I've written over there. Now let me use uh, them in this line. Okay, I want to do this line. This is a new line. This is a new line. Let me put the tag of break over there, self-enclosing tag. All right, moves to them. All right, let's move to this one too. Let's format the text. Let me use an italic for the whole. Sorry, let me close the emphasis tag. Let me use the tag for the strike. Strike. All right, and let me break. Oh, sorry. Let me break this line. So go to a new line. And this right thing. Sorry, I have spelled it wrong. Alright, so strong and the line you need to work hard. Alright, let me close the underline tag. Now everything, I've used all the formatting text, formatting tags. Alright, let me open this one and see how, refresh it. See, this is a new line, goes to a new line, and this is a new formatting text, because I have what, let me place it side by side so that you can see what I'm trying to drive at. And this is a new formatting text. You see, I've used the emphasis. The emphasis have what, italics the this thing, so the word, the sentence, so it's in italics. Then writing and developing web pages is more interesting. It's not, because I haven't applied anything to it. But what if, let's give an example. What if I forgot to place the tag? What will happen? The closing tag, the emphasis. You could see that everything closes. Everything closes because I haven't given it the corresponding closing tag. Let me save it. Oh, you see how it is. Then what? Writing and developing. So the tags, mostly tags that are not what, closed, will enclose everything. The browser will see it as it has to enclose from the point that the opening tag is to the ending of the opening of the to the ending of the sentence or the picture or anything of the page. You understand me? So when you need to take care of it, always when you open a tag, you close a tag. If this is a self closing tag, so you enter it there, and this is a self closing tag, so you enter it there. If you don't enter it, it will strike through. Okay, you should we have the strike through. This is a strike through tag. If you don't want something to be done, or as it were, it's wrong. So we want to what? Strike through, and we have the underline. If you don't put the underline over there, the closing tag, the underline, it will what? Give you a whole thing up to the end of the page. So we have to what? Uh, put the closing U tag. Okay. So this is more about formatting a text. We have the header. We give you the header 3. We give you the header 4, header 5. So it's up to 6 levels. Okay, it's up to 6 levels. But first, you always have to remember one is bigger than the other. Number two, a header 2 is bigger than header 3. Header 4 is bigger than header 5. Header 5 is bigger than header 6. Okay, 6 is the last one. There are 6 levels to a header tag. And again, remember your paragraph tag. If you want to write a new paragraph, is the same thing as you always know when you are even using a pen and a paper. You need to put a paragraph tag. Also, you need to but when you want to move to the next line in the same paragraph, you what? Put the break line, which is the new line. You are putting it a different one, because and this will work as a normal, just that the space between them won't be larger as it is here and it is there. Okay, it will be normal, and it follows in suit as a normal one, just that it goes to the next line, but with the same line spacing between the first sentence and the second sentence. Okay, so thank you very much for listening to this tutorial. This is formatting text. This is more on formatting text. We will use this in later tutorials as it goes, as progressive. But we always what have to what practice. You practice, you practice, you practice till you get there. Okay? Right. Thank you very, very much once again.